Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered what habits really annoy people in Japan? Sometimes, if someone close to you does them, it can make you think, I can't deal with this. As a mom, I've always tried to teach my kids these little manners. And as a wife, I still watch out for my husband, like making sure his clothes look neat and put together. These are mostly unwritten rules, but today I'm sharing 8 habits that can instantly make someone unpopular in Japan. Some of them might really surprise you. Ready? Let's jump in. Do you know what an Oshibori is? It's a little towel you get at restaurants to clean your hands before eating. I love this service, hot in winter, cold in summer. But here's the problem. Some middle-aged men use it to wipe their whole face. Seeing that, I just think, are they at a restaurant or fresh out of the shower? If my husband did that, I'd be so embarrassed. Once I even saw a man wiping his neck, and it completely killed my appetite. A friend who works at a Japanese restaurant said, it's kind of gross to touch it after someone wipes their face with it. Totally get it. How many times do people in Japan take our shoes off every day? Every time shoes come off, socks are on full display. Imagine sitting on a tatami mat and noticing hoods. Super awkward. People might notice, but they usually just pretend not to see. My husband and I actually have 2 sets of socks each season, one for going out and one for at home. With all the shoe changes, it really shows that taking care of socks matters too. When I lived in Tokyo, I commuted by subway. For some reason, lots of people loved strong perfume. For me, it gave me such headaches. These days, people call it fragrance pollution. Funny enough, I realized I might have been one of those people too, and my friends felt the same. Strong smells aren't popular in Japan, and some restaurants even ban strong perfume. In Japan, splitting the bill with friends is normal. But when someone's super picky about money, it creates a really awkward atmosphere. Some people fight over the last few yen and word spreads quickly. Soon, nobody wants to eat out with them. Thankfully, these days, restaurants often ask separate checks right at the register. Super helpful. And tipping? Forget it. Japan doesn't do it. Good listeners are always popular. Same in your country, right? After work, people often go out for drinks with coworkers. Sometimes an older manager joins and brags about everything they've done. They just don't stop talking and sometimes even lecture everyone. Fun night out, totally ruined. Honestly, having a quiet drink at home with my spouse feels way better. In Japan, walking while smoking is a big no-no. Some cities even fine you. Even in parks, there are designated smoking areas. These protect pedestrians and keep public spaces clean. Many women avoid the smell, and moms with kids are extra careful. Smoke near children and you'll definitely get sharp looks. Young women might also judge. If you can't smoke properly, you might not seem father material. Standing in line is serious business in Japan. Kids learn this in nursery school. You'll see long lines at stations, shops, and restaurants. At popular spots, people might wait for hours. Cutting in line isn't just unfair, it's disrespectful. People rarely yell, they just give a disapproving look. Sometimes kids notice and point it out, and parents explain it's a bad example. Sometimes my mom does this even though I tell her not to. At the supermarket, we pack groceries in our own eco bags. There's a load of plastic bags for items you wanna separate. Instead of using them, she rolls them up and takes them home. So embarrassing. My daughter says, if you act like grandma, I'm not shopping with you. And honestly, I get it. My mom says, everyone does it. Apparently, many older women do. Still, I just don't get it. So, those were 8 things that might make you unpopular in Japan. It's hard to tell someone directly why. In Japan, people often just know without being told. Probably because nobody wanna hurt relationships. How about your country? What kind of people do others tend to avoid? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe. It really encourages me. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!